Oh no. Did you just hit the glass? Ooh. Oh, baby. This little woodpecker just smashed into my neighbor's window. You come over and hang out with me for a while, baby. Come on, little baby. You're gonna be okay. Hang in there. I think you're gonna be okay. He smacked that window pretty hard. I heard it. Saw him fall. You just rest and let me know when you're ready to come out. I'll help you. Oh good, you're coming around. You getting better? Or am I gonna have a pet woodpecker? You about ready to fly? You wanna try to fly? Ooh, you're getting alert. You ready to fly, baby? You want me to put you out there? Yeah, you're getting there. You're getting strong. You're about to fly. Go ahead. Go ahead. I won't even pick you up. Just fly. Go ahead. I want to see how you do. Go ahead, baby. All right.